Rioting over the killing of an unarmed black teenager by a police officer has erupted in the U.S. state of Missouri, police say. People looted shops, vandalized cars and stores, and set a building alight on Sunday as police tried to block off access to several areas of St. Louis. Police say Michael Brown, 18, was shot on Saturday afternoon in Ferguson, a mainly black suburb of the city. He was shot several times after a struggle in a police car, they said. The rioting erupted late on Sunday after thousands of people attended a candlelight vigil for Michael Brown. County Police Chief John Bilmore said the shooting occurred after the officer encountered two men, including Mr. Brown, on a street in Ferguson. Mr. Bilmore said one of the men pushed the officer back into his squad car and a struggle began. At least